What's up, family? Jamie here. I'm going to do what I hope is a relatively quick tutorial on the object tree on TradingView. Um, what I don't know is if you have to have a premium version or if there's limitations if you don't have the premium version. I have the what is it? Premium. I have premium. So I don't know if you'll be able to do this if you have a free account, but TradingView is worth the investment because what are we doing? We're learning how to trade to make money. So you can make your goal every month to pay for your, or every year to pay for your annual subscription for TradingView. I highly recommend it. So Object Tree basically allows you to layer different drawings on different time frames where you can hide them and hide them and reveal them. And so I'm just going to go like from the monthly down to the daily down to like the 15-minute chart just to kind of show you how it works. And hopefully this is helpful. Let me know in the comments. So let's just say you're marking your levels on your chart. I'm just marking, random stuff just to make the point, right? So say these are all your key levels that you're marking, right? So what you do is you mark your levels on your monthly chart, and then you can I'm on an Apple on a PC. You should be able to do control, but I'm selecting all these lines, or you could do it however you know how, because you can also drag and select the lines as well. But I just did on the Apple command and just clicked all the lines, and they're selected because you have these little bubbles right here. And then you can right click and go to object tree. And then this pane over here opens up, and what you can do is hit create a group of drawings. And so this is my group, and I'm going to call this monthly. Okay. So now what this means is on my monthly chart, I can hide and reveal the levels that I've marked. And where this comes in handy is when you go down to a lower time frame. If you don't want to see the higher time frames, or you just only want to see them as a reference, then you can just turn them on and off. All right. So say, for example, oh, you're like, oh my God, I need to add another level. Let me add this one right here. Well, you see how the drawing is outside of your monthly folder. All you have to do is drag it into the monthly folder, and now they're all there. And then you can hide them. Okay. So say we go to our daily chart, and then we're just like, oh my God, this is too many lines. I can't do it. Well, just turn off your monthly drawings, and then you can turn on your or add your daily levels. Okay. So let's change this color. So then let's say you're adding all your daily levels and you're like, okay, those are all the ones that I want to mark. So what you could do is hit Command, hold it, click the lines, right click on one of the lines, go to Object Tree. You probably don't even have to go to the line. You can probably just right click on the screen. And then now we have these three horizontal rays that are here that are, they're blue because they're highlighted on the chart. So then I'm going to do New Object Tree, go up here and do Daily Levels. Boom. So then say it's like, oh my God, I want to add another level. You add your level, you see it show up over here, and you're like, I want to include it in my group, put it in your group. So then you can turn on and off your daily levels. Now, say you're on your daily chart and you're like, let me see, how are these in sync with my monthly levels? Well, just turn it on. And then you could see like, oh, that's a monthly level there too. This is a monthly level. Okay, got it. And then you can turn them off. Same thing, go to your 15-minute chart. Say you want to mark up your chart with your 15-minute levels. Like, okay, let me do this. We need something that's a little brighter. Okay. And then we're going to go here and we're just marking all our levels off so we can get this money, shmoney. And then there we have our 15-minute levels. So what do? Hit Command or I believe Control on a PC. Press and hold. Ooh, what happened? Like this. You get all your level. I wonder why that's happening. That's weird. Okay. Do new group. Uh-oh. 15-minute levels. Okay. And we already know how to add an object there if we add another one and we want to add it in the group. You could just decide what group you want to add the level to. So now what we could do is reveal all our levels. Reveal all our levels. So say we're looking at our chart and it's like, I want to see where these levels line up with my daily and my weekly and my monthly. Then you can have all your levels here on the chart. Or say you're on a daily chart and you only want to see your 15-minute levels on the daily chart. Then you can see your 15-minute levels on the daily chart. So there might be other ways that you could do different things, different, add the object tree. There's more than one ways to peel a cucumber. But this is just the simplest way that I've been able to identify. So I just wanted to share this because it really comes in handy. So you're not cluttering up your chart with a bunch of lines and drawings and stuff like that. I think that's it. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. And I hope you find this helpful. Let me know. Okay. Okay, bye.